Yesterday we went to Taupo. There's a really impressive waterfall. Just look at it. Not far away from the waterfall there are hot springs. It's so cool because the water has like 40 degrees and you can just hang around there, and it's so relaxing. Just try it by yourself if you haven't done it before. And the cool fact is that the river 10 meters away is like, it's freezing cold, and then you swim to this small river and it's, like I said, 40 degrees. Then we drove here. We just made a few stops because how could you not stop here? But now let's move on. This campsite is so chill. There's a sea just chilling there. There's another one up there, and there's our camper van, and there are just sheep. And this is just normal. They are living here. So today we went down there. There's a spot where many seals come to rest. And there's a lighthouse just a few hundred meters away, so it's like on the go. Then we went to this Pinnacles Rocks. It's up there, not far away. And this is also a Lord of the Rings scene spot, I guess. And now it's getting cold and I'm getting hungry, so we cook and sleep. here we are in Wellington. Today we spent the time in the city and we booked the ferry, what leaves tomorrow. So we're leaving North Island. I end this video here and see you in the next vlog on the South Island. Peace!
Was macht ihr denn hier? Unser Campingplatz!
Entschuldigung, Laufzeit.